Hey, so we're at Global Convention here in Salt Lake City, and I'm so excited to be with the wonderful Rosie Greaney. Can you believe for the first time ever we are getting our hands on some of the convention products like now?
So this is called Spanish Sage, and the first thing that Emily kind of mentioned is obviously we have our sage and we want to clear out negativity or negative energy in a space. So you could use it for that, but you can actually use it for your memory or for focus. Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Really good.
Yeah, I like that.
This oil that we've got here is one of our favourites. We really love the smell of this.
This one is spiritual, good for meditation, good for grounding. So anything that you would use a grounding oil for. But it smells very, very rich and very distinctive.
And we now have the Supermint.
Supermint, oh my goodness.
We were like smelling this and peppermint hits you, doesn't it? Spearmint is radiant.
Yeah.
But this combination,
you're getting everything. It is actually. It's delicious.
Yeah.
And I feel like you get the peppermint smell, but you get the spearmint kind of it. So you're getting this lovely blend. We have Metapower. This was all to do with our fat cells, our metabolism. It's the metabolic blend.
Do you think this is like a warm-up for us?
Yeah.
We obviously in Europe hope that everything's coming our way, don't we? We're like, when can we get the full range?
Yeah.
But I think this is our little intro to it. It's our tease, it's our warm-up, get us going, yeah?
And the clinical trials show that this is better than Smart and Sassy. So they're similar oils, but the way they've done the composition and the ratios are different for you to get better results. And I am definitely testimony that you'll get better results.
And I'm just like, it's getting warm in here. I know they've got some aircon, but I think it's about time to like cool me down a little.
Okay, let me try.
And yeah.
It's funny because when we do classes and we put the peppermint on the base for neck, instancy.
Doesn't everybody say to you when you do this, you're walking around, they're like, oh my goodness, what have you got on?
They smell
what are you wearing?
It's like past tense. Tense can actually smell quite delicious on other people.
Yeah.
But when you smell it from the bottle, you wouldn't think that. But it is, quite nice.
So this will instantly cool your skin down to the touch. So these are your goodies. This is what you, in Europe, are able to get straight away. It's available on pre-order now. When's that, Rosie?
Now.
And as soon as it lands in our warehouse, we promise we're going to ship it out to you so you too can be trying these amazing oils. Enjoy them. You are so lucky to have these in Europe.